I enjoy working at Shutterfly because it's an opportunity-rich environment.
The people. I like them.
I like working for Shutterfly because of the people that I work with, and it's a great opportunity to learn more things, and I love the products that we make.
I enjoy working for Shutterfly because I really feel like I'm part of a team and my contributions are recognized and rewarded.
I like the hours, I like the benefits, I like the pay. My boss is pretty flexible with my schedule, so he'll let me leave early from time to time. My daughter plays club softball, so it keeps me pretty busy.
I enjoy working for Shutterfly because the people that I work with are very, very friendly. There's always room for advancement, and Shutterfly treats their employees very well. They always are doing fun things to try to keep us motivated. It's a great place to work.